Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming admin access, because without it you cannot modify device policies. Open Admin. Google. Com if this is Workspace, or open your Gmail settings for personal accounts. Make sure you use a secure desktop session. Once done, locate the Devices or Security section and note the device. Record OS, model, last sync time, and the exact account email. These details matter because policies apply per device and user, so gather them now to avoid back and forth later. You now inspect the active device policy to see why the device alert triggered. In device management, compare basic versus advanced rules. Look for required screen lock, encryption, minimum OS patch level, and blocked apps. If the device lacks compliance, explain to the user which requirement failed, then choose to adjust a setting or create a one-off exception. Make sure to save changes and force a device sync. This pushes updated rules immediately, so you can verify whether the alert clears. You finish by forcing a remote sync or asking the user to sign out and back in, because that applies new policies right away. Verify the device status in the admin console and confirm the alert is cleared. If the alert persists, collect logs, note sync timestamps, error codes, and user screenshots so you can reproduce the issue. A reliable troubleshooting step is to reinstall Google Apps, apply pending OS updates, and re-enroll the device. This resolves most policy mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.